severe weather index stays at no threat at least the next 24 hours, but storms do return by Wednesday. Stroy Statter Center time lapse showing a nice sunset tonight. There's a few high clouds building across the Miami Valley. We still have a little bit of that dust from those Canadian wildfires as well, but overall high pressure still sticking around across Ohio, except it's starting to shift a little bit further to the east, and our next weather system is starting to do the same. But we're seeing the cloud coverage build, some rain developing across Illinois, kind of along a stationary front, but the next real weather maker is just to our northwest. That's going to dip a little bit further to the south and start to bring rain chances back to the Miami Valley. For now, our severe outlook tonight, nothing to show you, not really anything to show you tomorrow either, except there is a marginal risk way off our screen there into Illinois. And as we head into Wednesday, unfortunately, we do bring a slight risk for severe weather back to the Miami Valley, a marginal risk for our northern counties. So thunderstorms do return Wednesday. Here's a breakdown on Future Track. Tomorrow, we just see an increase in cloud coverage, especially around lunchtime. We may see a break from the clouds heading into the evening, but then as we head into Wednesday morning, the first round of thunderstorms moves across Indiana. Some of these storms may continue into the Miami Valley early Wednesday morning, and then we'll see a little bit of a break with some scattered showers and possibly a scattered thunderstorm early in the afternoon, and then late in the afternoon, really into the evening hours, we start to see what we call an MCS will likely move through the Miami Valley. With that, we typically see damaging wind gusts before we see any of those other severe weather threats.